Alright, I'm down here again on the ground. I said, oh, wait a minute, let me do a video and show these guys how easy this is done. This is the dual oil filters. The kit that I got, these are supposedly the best that you can get as far as oil filters are concerned. So what I did was I mounted this bracket to the frame. It comes with 3 screws, and you get these fittings. This is such a simple job, man. You get these fittings like I did here. You screw it in here. Alright. Tighten her up. Put that hose on there with the clamp. Tighten it up. And running the hose, got to do the in and the out. This kit comes with a choice of in and outs. Since I mounted this towards the rear of my tires, and I'll tell you why. More oil in the lines, the capacity of the oil. So the more oil I have, I keep the engine cooler. So in this particular bracket, it comes with the in and out on this side as well. So if you wanted to do a installation where the in was on one side and the out was on the other, you would use either or of those outlets. Since I'm not using either or, the kit comes with 2 bolts to cut offs. So I tighten them up, and now I'm running the hose to the front of the engine. Alright, so let me go to the next step. Alright, so I got both hoses now lined up, measured up, ready to do my thing here. I got the oil filter still on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drain the oil. I'm going to take that oil filter off, and in place of the oil filter, you're going to screw in this part here, which comes with the kit. Be careful, it has a couple O-rings on there. And of course, again, this has the indication in and out. What I did was, on one of the hoses, I put the in. I marked it so I don't get it confused. And let me talk about the hose that I bought. I bought the 300-pound PSIs, pounds a square inch. I did my research, and apparently this is the one that holds the most heat. Of course, you're going to have to be careful not to get it too close to the exhaust pipe. And this is 5/8 because these fittings are 5/8. Alright, so let me go to the next step. And before I forget, I bought 20 feet. Because remember, my idea is to put it as far back as possible. So I ran it right up to the rear wheels. So I bought 20 feet, and this is all I have left over, which is like 2.5 feet. Alright, got the oil draining. And if you love your Dodge Ram, if you love that engine, you're only going to use the best. And that's the whole purpose of this whole thing that I'm doing now with the double filters. With the filters that I have, keeps the engine as clean as possible. I'm going to have more oil capacity. I'm going to use the best oil. It costs a little more, but it's worth it, brothers. Even if you have to eat some romaine noodles for the rest of the week. Alright, so I took the oil filter out. All the oil's been drained. I got this gizmo here that's going to screw in exactly where the oil filter went. The outer one, the outer valve is going to be for the out, and the end's going to be for the in. Of course, you take it from the back, the opposite. So the back out goes into the in, and out here goes into the in at the back of the filters. I put these fittings on first. Probably is the only way you're going to do it, because you're not going to hook up the hose to the fitting and start turning and twisting the hose. Alright, so let me put this on. Alright, so I hooked up that little piece that goes up to the where the oil filter went. Can't see too good now, it's getting dark. I'm getting ready to put some oil inside the filters themselves. This is the filter, there's one of them right there. So we're going to fill these up. Remember, you're going to put just a little oil around the gasket. I'm going to fill these both up. I'm going to start putting oil in the truck. And I'm going to be one happy camper. There you go. It was pretty simple if you ask me. And man, what benefits you get. All right, guys, take care.